Dear students, welcome to the latest quiz on important questions of current affairs for all competitive exams. Let's start the quiz. Question number 1. The armies of India and which country carried out Operation Sunrise 2 in their respective border areas, targeting several militant groups operating in the northeast? Your options are Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar or Nepal. Your time starts now. So, the correct answer is Myanmar. The armies of India and Myanmar carried out a 3-week-long coordinated operation from May 16 in their respective border areas, targeting several militant groups operating in Manipur, Nagaland and Assam. Operation Sunrise 2, the armies coordinated with each other to bust camps of militant outfits, including the Kamtapur Liberation Organization KLO, the NSCN Khaplang, the United Liberation Front of Assam I, and the National Democratic Front of Bodoland NDFB. Myanmar is one of the strategic neighbors of India and shares a 1,640 km border with a number of northeastern states, including the militancy-hit Nagaland and Manipur. Question number 2. At the Niti Aayog's 5th Governing Council meeting, Prime Minister announced to achieve the target of a $5 trillion Indian economy by which year? Your options are 2022, 2023, 2024 or 2025. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is 2024. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the goal to make India a $5 trillion economy is challenging but can be achieved, and asked the states to recognize their core competence and work towards raising GDP targets. In his opening remarks at the 5th meeting of the Governing Council of Niti Aayog, the Prime Minister said that empowerment and ease of living have to be provided to each and every Indian. Question number 3. The Government of India has finally decided to impose retaliatory duties worth over $200 million on how many USA products? The options are 28, 29, 38 or 48. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is 28. India has imposed higher custom duties on a raft of US goods effective Sunday in response to similar measures taken by Washington. The increased taxes have been imposed on products including almond, pulses and walnuts, the news agency reported, citing a late Saturday release government notice. The move will hurt American exporters of these 28 items, as they will have to pay higher duties, making those items costlier in the Indian market. Earlier, the list included 29 goods, but India has removed Artemia, a kind of shrimp, from the list. The government had on 21st June 2018 decided to impose these duties in retaliation to the US decision of significantly hiking custom duties on certain steel and aluminium products. Question number 4. The 5th Conference on Interaction and Confidence Building Measures in Asia Summit CICA was held at which of the following places? The options are Moscow, Dushanbe, Tashkent or Nur Sultan. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is Dushanbe. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Friday met his Bangladeshi and Bahrainian counterparts as he arrived here in the Tajik capital to attend the 5th Conference on Interaction and Confidence Building Measures in Asia, CICA. The CICA is a pan-Asia forum for enhancing cooperation and promoting peace, security and stability in Asia. The theme of the 5th summit is Shared Vision for a Secure and More Prosperous CICA Region. India is a member of CICA since its inception, and former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee had participated in the first CICA summit held in 2002 in Almaty, Kazakhstan. Question number 5. When was World Desertification Prevention Day celebrated? Your options are 14 June, 15 June, 16 June or 17 June. Your time starts now. The correct answer is 17 June. World Day to Combat Desertification 2019 marks the 25th anniversary of the UN Convention to Combat Desertification, UNCCD. So this year's campaign will run under the slogan 25 years, let's grow the future together. The World Day to Combat Desertification has been observed since 1995 to promote public awareness relating to international cooperation to combat desertification and effects of drought. Question number 6. Which state government announced that a museum to showcase the work of celebrated music composer R.D. Burman would be built? The options are Tripura, Kerala, Assam or Tamil Nadu. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Tripura. The Tripura government on Saturday announced that a museum to showcase the work of celebrated music composer R.D. Burman would be built. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev conveyed the decision to singing icon Asha Bhosle, wife of the maestro. Question number 7. Who has become the fastest batsman to score 11,000 runs in the ODIs? The options are Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, Virat Kohli or Shikhar Dhawan. Your time starts now. The answer is Virat Kohli. Indian skipper Virat Kohli became the fastest batsman to reach the 11,000 run mark in the ODI cricket. He achieved the feat in the match between India and Pakistan in the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup. The Indian skipper has just taken 230 ODIs to complete 11,000 runs. Kohli needed 57 runs before this match to reach 11,000 run mark in the ODI cricket. The 30-year-old Kohli broke Tendulkar's record. Tendulkar had achieved the 11,000 run mark against England in 2002 in its 284th ODI. Question number 8. Where is the world's highest weather station established? Your options are Mount Kailash, Siachen, Mount Everest or Anantnag. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is Mount Everest. The National Geographic Society, NGS, a US-based non-profit scientific and educational organization, announced successful installation of world's highest operating weather station on Mount Everest. This installation was a part of National Geographic and Rolex Perpetual Planet Extreme Expedition to Everest. Question number 9. Who has been appointed the ISI chief by the Pakistan government? Your options are Aslam Sheikh, Faiz Hamid, Asim Munir or Anwar Qasim. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Faiz Hamid. The Pakistan military has appointed Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid as the new Director General of the powerful spy agency Inter-Services Intelligence (ISI), according to a statement by the military's press. Hamid will replace its current head, Lieutenant General Asim Munir, just 8 months after the latter was appointed to the post following the retirement of his predecessor, Lieutenant General Naveed Mukhtar. Question number 10. Who was Pazhavila Ramesan, who died recently? The options are poet and lyricist and musician, composer and writer, or author and lyricist. Your time starts now. The correct answer is poet and lyricist. Poet and lyricist Pazhavila Ramesan passed away in Thiruvananthapuram. Ramesan had received the 2017 Kerala Sahitya Academy Award for overall contributions. He wrote lyrics for Malayalam movies such as Jatadi, Asham Sakalode, Uncle Bun, Maluti and Vasudha. For practicing these questions once more, you can give the online quiz test by going to our mobile app eUtkarsh. So today itself, install the eUtkarsh app from the Play Store. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.